Welcome to this video. Today we will learn what the Hreflang Tag is, how it works, and why it is important for websites targeting audiences in multiple languages or regions. The Hreflang Tag is an HTML attribute that tells search engine which language and regional version of a page to show to users. It helps deliver the most relevant content based on user's language or location. Hreflang tags prevent duplicate content issues between similar pages in different languages. They make sure user sees the right version of your site, increasing engagement and conversions. Hreflang tags uses a language code and an optional region code such as EN for English or EN-US for English in the United States. These codes are placed in the page HTML, HTTP headers, or XML sitemaps. A basic Hreflang tag looks like this. This tells search engine that the page is an alternate French version of the content. Use Hreflang tags when you have multiple language versions of a page, country-specific content, or different currency format for different reasons. Common mistakes include incorrect language codes, missing return links, and inconsistent Hreflang placement. Every tag page must reference all other language versions, including itself. Test your Hreflang setup using Google Search Console, Hreflang tags testing tool, or SEO crawlers like Screaming Frog to make sure everything works correctly. Hreflang tags help search engines serve the correct language and region version of a page. Correct implementation improves SEO, avoid duplicate content, and ensure the best user experience. Thank you for watching. If your website serves international or multilingual audiences, implement Hreflang tags today to ensure your visitor always sees the right version of your content, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel right now.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.